Hello friends, today I will be talking about a foolproof investment strategy which may give you very good returns with a low downside risk. It is a famous quote that no trade is also a trade. More than 95% of traders lose their money in the stock market, whereas every investor gains if he have the patience to see his money grow. Today I will bring you a beautiful strategy with guaranteed returns. See, it is not that one should invest in the stock market at any point of time. One should wait for the right amount of time to invest in the stock market. Other times he can use SIP for small investments. So taking an example, suppose a person have 50,000 monthly savings. So what he should do with those savings is he should do an SIP of rupees 10,000 every month, and he should invest 40,000 of his 50,000 savings in liquid debt fund. Liquid debt funds are a very low risk investment mutual funds. They provide approximately 8 to 10% return, and the good thing is that you can liquidate your investment anytime. It just takes 2 to 3 days for the amount to be credited to your bank account without any charges. So what one should do is one should do a SIP of some nominal amount like 10 to 20,000 every month, and he should save or invest 30 to 40,000 in liquid debt funds and wait for the opportunity. Stock market always provides an opportunity for new investors to enter. Like we have seen the recent COVID-19 crash, the one who entered the crash at the very bottom could have earned more than 50% no matter in which stock he invested. Earlier there was 2018 financial crisis, and not only that, in between also there are minor corrections ranging from 10 to 20%. They also post a good time to enter the market. So that is the best investment advice from my side, that do SIP. In case the market is in bull run, that SIP will pay you. But more importantly, keep some money in liquid funds. See, a trader, the basic difference between a trader and an investor is a trader is one who take trades daily, like he buys a stock and sells a stock on a daily basis. Whereas a rightful investor is the one who wait for the right opportunity to invest in the market, but he need to have cash for that. Suppose we see a COVID-19 like crash in 2 years coming, but you do not have any money in that time. So you will not be able to take the opportunity, the benefit of such crashes. So it is necessary to allocate the major part of your savings to liquid debt funds. See guys, this is a foolproof investment strategy. In case even the market falls, the SIPs that you have done is less than the amount of allocations to your liquid debt funds, which you can always use to invest in the market at the time of such fall. I hope you like it. Tell me in comments what you think about the investment strategy.